What is jazz materia? First, take a look at this. Explain what the arrows and numbers mean. This is not the way to actually use it. So we will add a start note to the left of the arrow. Here, let's set the starting note to C. The start note should be lowercase. Then it would look like this. C upward 2 5. Now we can put it on the score. C is the starting note, ascend to the right, and the pitch difference, number of semitones, is 2 and 5. The starting notes are basically as follows: 17. You may also use the following starting notes, etc. if necessary. I lined up the first 4. These are all different types of materia. Each of the 4 types has a name. Ascending 3 notes. Descending 3 notes. Ascending 4 notes. Descending 4 notes. There are exceptions, but I won't go into them here.
The exception is the 5-note materia, which does not appear within the scope of normal jazz theory. The thumbnail image is a 5-note materia, going down from B flat.
I have to tell you this early on. Each note does not mean the whole note. You can change the note value, or add rests like below. You probably already know that. There are 2 different colors of notes, black and purple. Currently, there are 2 ways to use jazz materia. One is used color-coded as black and purple. The other one is all in black. Here, I'll describe how to use them separately in black and purple.
All black materia. For example, it can be used to symbolize a melody. However, although I see the potential, I am still researching.
For 3-note materia, the second, and for 4-note materia, the second and fourth will be purple. This is a constant in all cases. There is a distinct difference in meaning between black and purple. The difference is that black is a chord tone and purple is not. Each materia has a variant. The above two are both basic forms. I set up a rule to get a variant. All in all, it is not possible to change the order of the sequence. Every note can be moved up or down an octave, or any number of octaves. And there are different rules for 3-note materia and 4-note materia. The 3-note materia has a total pitch difference of 2 to 12 in its basic form. The 4-note materia has a total pitch difference of 3 to 11 in its basic form. Examples of variants. There are other possibilities for each.
As you can see, it's quite simple.
I am researching jazz materia in two areas. One is within the realm of normal jazz theory. The other is within my range of thought. The explanation here is within the scope of normal jazz theory. Number of materia. The number of each of the four types. All within the scope of normal jazz theory. However, there is a possibility that they will be added in the future.
The reason there may be more materia is that there are some scales that are not included, such as harmonic minor and exotic scales.
This is the answer to the very first question. What is jazz materia? Jazz materia is a general term for a large number of materia. That's all for this time. Now the image may be vague. It's not your fault because of the lack of explanation. Next, I want to explain how to extract the materia. I think the word extract is more appropriate. See you.